Hi peeps, Paul here from JPR2two2. Welcome back to episode 7 of Josh's Jordan build. And now the shell is near finished, you'll start seeing all the nice pretty bits going back on. And we'll try to take you through as much of the stages of putting the stuff back on. And yeah, you can start seeing it all coming together now. So sit back, enjoy, and don't forget to press the like, hit those subscribe buttons, share it with your friends, and give us some nice feedback and comments towards the end. So enjoy it. I'll see you for now. I'll see you laters. Hi guys, peeps, just an update on what's going on. Today we've been cleaning the fuel pipes. All new brake pipes going on. They're going to be tucked away inside. Fuel pipes are good, we just needed preserving and coat of paint really, so we're just cleansing so we can well, basically put braided ones on for the time being. Money wise and time wise, we've done a bit of a clean on them, and this is what we've done. So you can't really see much, they're just hanging pipes at the moment. Gear linkage, I'll show pictures just gone on there. Gear linkage has been completely stripped back, cleaned, again rescued, because they're underneath, we get a lot of hammering. So we're gonna just give it this first coat of primer, which is here. You can see at the back we've got the wishbones, so here's the wishbones. Again, they're quite easy to take off, so once they're taken off, and the other ones I've been done in my own time, I'll polybush the other ones and then give these a swap. Didn't mention the gear linkage, but there's a new short shifter going in. Polybushers, we'll take all these out before we put a coat of paint on. That's why I'm not bothered masking these up, because we've got polybush to go in and basically the gear linkage as well. Update, we showed you, yeah, I think we showed you the bay, didn't we? Pictures of Dan polishing the bay, there's pictures there. It's got really shiny. See, that was about a week ago now, so there's a bit of dust accumulated. We've also got some new items turned up today, and yeah, basically the black engine mounts that we were using, we're now going to use on the race car because they were red polybush, which is extreme. So we don't really want the car to be extreme on our riding. So we've had some nice polished ones arrive, and they actually come from a Jordan colleague. Didn't know at first until we bought them. Once we bought them, we found out they come from one of the Jordan boys. Innovative mounts again, but these are billet, highly polished, and I'll show you these. You can see from that last one there, the mount itself is just a black bracket, which needs obviously redoing to go back into the engine bay properly. Other things has been done. Both master cylinders, servo and clutch has been cleaned. They will get a polish. We've got some Autosol we've just turned up to do the wheels, but they'll also do these. And we fitted the new servo, which was a really good job done of Josh's universe, which was one of his favourite symbols that most people know him from some of the clothing he used to wear. So there it is. But like I said, that's all done. I think we've done the video on the wire tuck, pipe tuck, which is, I'll just show you again. That's the pipe tuck on the passenger side of the car. You've got the wire tuck for the lights. So that's the lighting system, and then obviously we've got wire tuck for the servo sensors, or the level sensors and the wipers. Quickly show you inside. And we've started with the fuse box tuck, because obviously we removed that. Fuse box is going in the dash, so we removed the cover and airbag's been taken out. I'm actually in the middle of, so it's not finished. Well, we had a few minutes as well. Some of the trim we've put back in, and kept it original as possible with Josh. We made it as Josh's car, but we've made some little additions to make it look nicer. So you'll see Kevlar effect, which looks really well. I also put in the servo for the clocks, which you'll see with the two gauges fitted. That was actually ready for the second stage for the boost. I've just put that in for now just to see what it looks like. Don't know if I'll leave them in just yet, because they're for the oil pressure and the boost, and obviously it's not going to be boosted this year. It'll probably be done for next year, but we'll see how it goes. It looks quite nice. Completely gear linkage, it's been primed, cured and painted, also polybushed. Should I say polybushed before it was painted? And here it is. The only thing I got to change is the changer, the stick.
The next day.
So finished off all the springs for the nice dry. Give them good paint after you've seen them sealed, sanded and all the rest of it. So yeah, they are.
Eventually,
You have built up the front ones and fitted them on. They're not adjusted yet, but just put them on so they're somewhere safe without getting knocked around. They look a lot much better now, much better. Also, what I've done, showed you earlier on about the brake lines, the fuel lines, and the main fuel line is this one. And we have the return, which is just hanging up here, drying. They'll be ready to go back on, and like I said earlier on, the first lot of wishbones, there was having sandblast. We'll be polybushing those. We may well have give my original fairly new ones a good clean, and with a refurb, so they can go on for now until we get ready to polybush the other ones when they're sandblasted.
A few inches later.
End of flashback.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
Meanwhile,
We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Hi peeps, I'm back again. Yes, it's Paul from JPR2two2. So, right, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. The montage at the end, I've just shown you all those prep bits being put back on, and we've got lots more coming. So watch out for episode 8, and we've got quite a few surprises coming. So click them like buttons, keep pressing the buttons, plenty of subscribes, press the subscribe button, and tell your friends. Let's get this spread across the UK, let's get it spread across the world. Show everybody Joshua Jordan what's behind the background of when it's been seen at shows, so people can appreciate the work that's been done. So I'm glad you've enjoyed it, and I'm glad you've spent the time to watch it, and we'll see you again. Episode 8 is coming. See you laters.